In our previous discussions, you learned how to solve radical equations. And I just hope that you can still remember how to simplify and perform operations on radicals. This time, we will be dealing with word problems involving radicals. Saan kaya natin magagamit ang pag-simplify or pag-solve ng radical equation? In geometry, there are formulas involving radicals. Some of those are the formula in getting the length of a segment on a Cartesian plane. Also, the formula in getting the area of a triangle given its sides. So, dito natin pwedeng magamit yung discussion natin on how to simplify and perform the operations on radicals. So, for example, you are asked to find the length of the segment whose endpoints are -2, -5, and 4, -1. This is a Cartesian plane. So let us locate first these endpoints on this Cartesian plane. First, we have -2, -5. So the -2 is located here, and -5 is right here. So get the intersection. One of the endpoints is right here. Next, we have 4, -1. So 4 is located here, and -1 is right here. Get the intersection, therefore 4, -1 is located here. Then just connect the points. So ang tinatanong dito, ano kaya yung length nitong segment na ito? And you can determine the length of this segment by using this formula. This is what we call the distance formula. Kasi using this formula, makukuha mo kung ano yung distance ng dalawang points. So in this case, since kinonect natin itong dalawang points na to, nagkaroon tayo ng segment. So pwede natin i-apply itong distance formula. So given these two endpoints, this is x sub 1, this is y sub 1. And this is x sub 2, and this is y sub 2. So let's do the substitution. X sub 2 is 4 minus x sub 1 is -2. Then put these values inside the brackets. Then don't forget the exponent. Plus y sub 2 is -1 minus y sub 1 is -5. Again, put these values inside the brackets and copy the exponent. Then simplify. 4 minus -2 is +6. Then don't forget the exponent. Plus -1 minus -5 is what? It's +4. Again, don't forget the exponent. Next, 6 raised to 2, it means that you have to multiply 6 by itself. 6 times 6 is 36. Plus, 4 raised to 2 is 4 times 4, so it's 16. Simplify again. 36 plus 16 is 52. Is this now the final answer? Can we still simplify this? What are the factors of 52 wherein one of that factors is a perfect square or has a square root? It's 4 times 13. And 4 has a square root which is 2. So mapupunta na sa labas si square root ni 4. We have 2, matitira sa loob si the square root of 13. Therefore, the length of this segment is 2 the square root of 13. So as simple as that. Let me give you another example. Say you are asked to find the length of the segment whose endpoints are -3, 3, and 10, -2. So let us first draw a Cartesian plane. Then locate each endpoint. First endpoint is -3, 3. -3, 3. is right here. Next, 10, negative 2. It's right here. Then connect the endpoints. Yan. So you are asked to find the length of this segment. Gaano kaya kahaba itong segment na to considering these two endpoints? So let's use again the distance formula. X sub 2 minus x sub 1 raised to 2 plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 raised to 2. Do the substitution. This is x sub 1, this is y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. X sub 2 is 10 minus x sub 1 is negative 3. Then put these values inside the brackets. Don't forget to write 2, the exponent, plus y sub 2 is negative 2 minus y sub 1 is 3. Then simplify. 10 minus negative 3 is 13 raised to 2 plus negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5 raised to 2. Simplify again. 13 raised to 2 is 13 times 13. It's 169 plus negative 5 raised to 2 is negative 5 times negative 5. We have positive 25. Then add 169 plus 25. It's 194. Meron pa bang isa-simplify si square root of 194? Wala na. So this is now the length of this segment whose endpoints are negative 3, 3, and 10, negative 2. So that's it. Now what if you are asked to find the area of a triangle given its sides? So consider this triangle and consider also the lengths of the sides, 8, 9, and 11. So paano kaya natin makukuha yung area ng triangle na ito? To get the area of a triangle given its sides, we use this formula. Saan natin kinukuha si A, B, and C? Ito yun, yung mga lengths ng sides ng triangle. So kahit alin dyan, kahit ito yung maging A nyo, kahit ito yung maging C nyo, kahit alin. Basta ang importante, lagyan nyo ng label. Okay? Saan naman nakukuha si S? S can be obtained using this formula. So we add all the sides of the given triangle and multiply it by 1/2. Okay? So let's try this. Let's find first S because we cannot proceed with this formula without solving for the value of S. So we have 1/2, A is 8, B is 9, C is 11. So get the sum of these first, 8, 9, and 11. It's 28. Then multiply it by 1/2, it's 14. So madali na lang hanapin yung area. So A is equal to the square root of S, which is 14, times S minus A. So 14 minus the value of A is 8, times S minus B. So we have 14 minus the value of B is 9. And S minus C, 14 minus the value of C is 11. Alin kayo yung unang isi-simplify dyan? Unahin yung mga nasa loob ng parenthesis. Okay. So 14 minus 8 is 6. 14 minus 9 is 5. And 14 minus 11 is 3. Saka na natin i-multiply itong lahat. 14 times 6 times 5 times 3 is 1,260. So can we still simplify this? What is the square root of 1,260? This is not a perfect square. Pero, meron siyang factor na may square root. And it is 36. It's 36 times 35. And the square root of 36 is 6. Mapupunta na sa labas. So we have 6 the square root of 35. Therefore, the area of this triangle, considering its sides 8, 9, and 11, is 6 the square root of 35. So that's it for this lesson video.